Hey guys, I'm Nancy and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to review ready to eat MTR Jeera rice. Before going forward, I would like to tell you that I had already reviewed couple of MTR ready to eat products. Complete playlist link is in the I button and description box, so you can check that out. Quantity mentioned here is 250 grams. That will cost you around 100 rupees. So firstly, let's unbox this packet. As always, you will get this silver color packet. In order to prepare the rice, you can directly dip this packet in boiling water or hot water. After transferring content in the bowl, you can heat that content in microwave. Another way is by heating the content on normal gas stove inside our cooking utensils, or you can also use this Prestige multi-cooker, which right now I'm showing you in this video. I had already made lot of videos related to this multi-cooker. It is great for travelers and students. Complete playlist link and related links are there in the description box, so you can check that out. So I have transferred rice into this multi-cooker. Even though this rice is cooked, but I feel the rice grains are a little hard. So I will be making this rice a little softer by steaming. Therefore I have added some water. Then I switched on multi-cooker on low temperature. Then I mixed rice and water thoroughly. Then on low temperature, I allowed this rice to steam for around 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't get stick to the bottom. After 3 to 4 minutes, you can simply switch off the cooker and rest it for like 30 seconds to 1 minute inside the kettle itself. And finally, your rice is ready to serve. Now I will give you my final verdict about this rice. Taste of this rice is just okay. If you are traveling and you literally have no time to spend on cooking, then only it is a good choice. From my experience, after having this rice for continuously 2 days, I didn't feel to eat it again on the third day. If you have little more time, I would rather suggest you to prepare fresh rice in this multi-cooker. I had already shared a video on how to cook rice in this multi-cooker. Video link is in the description box and I button, so you can check that out. All related details are there in the description box. I hope you find this video really helpful. If you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, give a thumbs up to this video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.